Morning, myself Aman Sharma, Assistant Professor in Hotel Management Department at RPIT Campus Karnal. Today's our topic is basic etiquettes of food and beverage personnel. The hotel and restaurant business is an admixture of showmanship, diplomacy, and sociability. All front line personnel are required to have an ability to communicate effectively. The etiquette that a waiter exhibits in a restaurant should comprises the following: attend to a guest as soon as they enter the restaurant, assist guests to remove warm heavy coats in winter and help them put them on when they leave, preferably address them by their name, which require remembering them. Next is wish the guest the time of the day and welcome them to the restaurant. Be polite to guests, help to seat ladies, provide extra customs or special chair for children. When speaking to a guest, do not interrupt him if he is speaking to another guest. Next is do not overhear conversation. Avoid mannerisms such as touching hairs, noise, speaking, etc. Stand erect at all times. A gentle bow at the time of service is permissible. Be attentive to guest calls. Talk softly. Next is strike a match to enable a guest to light his cigarette. Avoid arguing with service staff and guests in restaurant. Carry pencil in the pocket and do not behind ear or clipped in front of the jacket. Avoid soliciting for tips. Remove tips after the guest has left. Enter the leave restaurant through the service door only. Desist from chewing gum or battle nuts. Attributes of food and beverage personnel. The product of food and beverage operation is not just food and beverage itself. Any staff coming in contact with the guest is also part of the product. No matter how good the quality of the food and beverage, decor, and equipment, a poorly trained staff can destroy the customer's satisfaction with the project. Listen below are the attributes necessary the food and beverage services. First is personal hygiene. A person working in food and beverage service or should maintain personal hygiene such as he should take bath daily, he should shave daily, he should wear clean and well pressed uniform, he should polish his shoes daily, he should trim his mustache and layers as and when required. Knowledge of food and beverage. The staff must have sufficient knowledge of all the items on the menu and wine list in order to advise or suggest to a guest. Moreover, they should know how to serve correctly each dish, what its accompaniments are, what are their appropriate garnishes, and also how to serve various type of beverages in the correct glass and their right temperature. Next is local knowledge. In the interest of customer, the staff should have a certain knowledge of the area in which they work so that they may be able to advise the guest on the various form of entertainment offered, etc. Next is attitude to customer. A careful match should be kept on customer of all time during the service and without staring. Care should always be taken when dealing with difficult customers. Sales ability. The food and beverage service staff are salespeople of food and beverage and must therefore have a complete knowledge of all form of food and beverage and their correct service. Sales ability or also the food and beverage service staff are the salespeople that the establishment earn maximum profit by maximum amount of business during the service period. Customer satisfaction. The food and beverage service staff must see that the guests have all the required and are completely satisfied. Tackling complaints. The staff should have a pleasant manner, showing courtesy and tact. They should never displeasure, even though at times things may be difficult. The should never argue with the customer. If they cannot deal with the situation, it should be referred immediately to a senior member of a team. Conduct. A staff conduct should be implicable at all times, especially in front of the customer. Rules and regulation of the establishment should be followed and respect shown to all senior member of the staff. Memory. This is an essential asset to a food and beverage service staff. It should help them in various ways in their work. If they know the like and dislike of the guest, where they like to sit in the service area, what are their favorite drinks, and so on. Honesty. This is all important to the staff in dealing with both the guest and management. If there is trust and respect in the triangle of staff, guest and management relationship, then there will be an atmosphere of work which encourage efficiently and a good team spirit among the service operations. Please like this video and also share it, and also subscribe our channel RPIT Academics. Thank you.